Hi, my name is Jamie Mesh. I'm the Managing Director of Educational Activities at IEEE. We all know that children at a young age, if they feel that connection with a fellow engineer, if they feel that connection with someone who's a scientist, it is that spark that can drive them to choose the path of engineering and science. TryEngineering Together connects children with the potential person that can be that spark. As IEEE was looking at partners to try to make a difference in the world, Cricket Media and their platform that allowed for TryEngineering Together really made a difference. What we find is it's really difficult to send your employees out to a school, do the logistics to try to set the whole thing up with the teacher or the school district, get the approvals, etc. You know, the beauty of TryEngineering Together is you can just do it from your phone, you can do it from your laptop when you're at work, and it's pretty exciting when you get that letter from a student. I've talked to a lot of people and they all say the same thing. I get so excited when it says, you know, you have a message waiting. One of the cool inspirational things to me was early on, one of the articles that my student and I read talked about engineering in sports. And in fact, it was specifically engineering in tennis and how tennis rackets are engineered. And my student loves music. And in their letter back to me, they wrote about how if tennis rackets are engineered, that means that musical instruments are engineered, and there's probably engineers behind musical instruments. And that might just be that spark that causes that child to say, wow, maybe I should be an engineer. And I would like to invite you and your organization to join IEEE and Cricket Media in inspiring the next generation of engineers and scientists in the STEM workforce.